Dear students, we are talking about disease which is termed as anemia. Anemia, which is a disease related to our blood. Now, we are going to understand more details about this disease. To eradicate anemia, Government of India has initiated a project that is Anemia Mukt Bharat to eradicate this anemia from our India. Most of the around 50% population is suffering from anemia. You can see in this chart that is from National Family Health Survey, which is showing about 58% of the children up to the age of 5 years, means 59 months, is suffering from anemia. Now the question comes in our mind, that is, what is anemia? Actually, anemia is a disease which is caused due to decrease in the total amount of RBC, or we can say anemia is decrease in the total amount of red blood cells, or you can say hemoglobin level in the blood. हमारे खून में जब आरबीसी की कमी हो जाती है, हेमोग्लोबिन की कमी हो जाती है, that is termed as anemia. Now regarding blood, the blood cells, red blood cells, it is a type of a blood cell found in our blood. It contains a protein called hemoglobin. As you can see in this diagram, a blood vessel is there which contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. And a plasma, the liquid portion of the blood, is flowing it. You can see in another diagram, that is red blood cell is 44% in our blood and 55% is plasma, and remaining 1% is white blood cells and platelets. So in red blood cells, a special protein that is called as hemoglobin is present, which carries oxygen from the lungs. As we breathe, oxygen absorbed by the red blood cells, and it carries this to the different parts of the body. Now some common symptoms of anemia. First is pale skin. The color of skin is changed. It is not looked like normal skin. Next is fatigue. थकावट महसूस होती है आपको, बहुत अधिक थक जाते हैं. ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स में बी देयर. लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी, कमजोरी लगना. हेडेक एंड डिजीनेस, चक्कर आना, सिर में दर्द होना. एंड सीवियर जॉइंट पेन्स, कई बार बहुत जोड़ों में दर्द होता है. दैट मे बी ऑल्सो अ कॉज ऑफ anemia. Now we will see the causes of the anemia. आखिर क्यों ये anemia हो जाता है? These are the basic factors due to which anemia is present in our body. First is destruction of red blood cells. Due to any reason, maybe due to any particular infection in the body, your red blood cells were destroyed. आपकी बॉडी के रेड ब्लड सेल्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुके हैं, नष्ट हो चुके हैं. सो ड्यू टू दैट यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनीमिया. सेकेंड में बी द सीवियर ब्लड लॉस बाय एन इंजरी और in any accident you lost most of the blood, so that may be the cause due to which you have a need of some blood. कभी कभी हम देखते हैं कि किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, बहुत सा खून बह जाता है. So if there is no blood in the body, the person will suffer from anemia. So blood transfusion is there. खून उनको चढ़ाया जाता है, फिर वो ठीक होते हैं, हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होना पड़ता है. These are all the situations. And lack of iron in the body due to poor diet, that is the major cause in children. बच्चों में आयरन की कमी होना. क्यों होना? क्योंकि वो खाना ठीक से नहीं खाते हैं. If a child is not taking a proper diet or a balanced diet, or a diet in which less iron, then that child may suffer from anemia. So that is the cause. So that's why your doctor, your parents are always insisting to eat green vegetables and all kind of food materials which are given by your parents, so that you will not suffer from anemia. And last one, in very rare cases, anemia can also be hereditary. Hereditary means if your parents have anemia, sometimes by birth you will get it. मीन्स कई बार ऐसा होता है, बहुत रेयर केसेस में होता है कि पेरेंट्स के कुछ हेरिडिटरी फैक्टर्स आपके अंदर आ जाते हैं. एनीमिया कैन ऑल्सो बी लाइक दैट इन वेरी रेयर केसेस, दैट इज हेरिडिटरी. नाउ problems due to untreated anemia, that is one of the basic problem in our society. If anemia is not treated well, that's why Government of India had taken the project Anemia Mukt Bharat. If anemia is not identified in due time, identified means diagnosed in the due time, as you have seen in a blood report for Aarti. If anemia is not diagnosed, that will cause a severe damage to the body organs. Means from brain, from to the heart, everything is destroyed due to anemia. Your body will suffer from it. That's why delayed the problems due to untreated anemia are delayed growth and development in children, difficulty in concentrating in work and study. Means due to anemia, your mental development, your physical development and growth is slow down. Second is difficulty in concentrating in work and study. Whatever work is given to you, whatever you have to learn, but there is some difficulty in learning that content. You are not able to learn it well. That is also a sign of untreated anemia. If problem consists, these kind of problem may be emerged. Then low energy level, हमेशा आपको थकान महसूस होती रहेगी. Then heart related disorders and organ failures, because if that remain untreated, your body organs will not get oxygen. So these disorder may be present due to the lack of oxygen supply to different parts of the body. Now treatment for anemia, that is generally suggested by the doctors to take iron rich food in our diet. हमें खाने में आयरन रिच फूड को लेना चाहिए. If we take iron rich food, that will complete the deficiency of iron in our body or deficiency of hemoglobin in our body. That is one of the basic thing. हम अपनी डाइट को चेंज कर ले, हमें आयरन हमारी बॉडी में सफिशिएंट मिल जाएगा. मीन्स आवर हेमोग्लोबिन लेवल विल rise up. Second is take medicines of iron and folic acid. Generally doctors suggest to take iron and folic acid tablets so that you will get maximum energy in form of tablets, as tablet is also dissolved in your stomach and absorbed by the bloodstream. Then third is treatment of infections and inflammations. If you have any infection or any inflammatory condition, then that must be treated. If that is treated very well, then you will recover from it, and as you recover, your body will gain the maximum advantage from your diet. मीन्स यदि आपके ब्लड में इन्फेक्शन नहीं होगा, आपकी बॉडी में प्रॉपर हेमोग्लोबिन प्रेजेंट रहेगा, आरबीसी डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होंगे, उनका डेवलपमेंट और उनके ग्रोथ हो सकेगा. दैट इज a proper treatment which is suggested by the doctors. And the last one is the blood transfusion. Exactly, that is the problem. When there is a severe problem, blood is transfused in the body. मीन्स खून को हमारे शरीर में चढ़ाया जाता है. जो हेल्दी ब्लड होता है, जिसमें आरबीसी पर्याप्त होती है, वो हमें चढ़ा दिया जाता है, जिससे हम ये जो डेफिशिएंसी थी हेमोग्लोबिन की, दैट इज रिकवर्ड. So now we are at the point some iron rich foods. As we discussed, our diet is one of the important factor to get a proper level of hemoglobin. These are some examples by which you can gain up or rise your hemoglobin level. First is green leafy vegetables. हरी पत्तेदार सब्जियां जैसे पालक, मेथी, इस तरह की हरी पत्तियों वाली सब्जियां आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद होती हैं. पी, सोयाबीन्स, राजमा, in dry fruits, that is also very much, means You can eat dry fruits also. You can eat fruits like pomegranate, amla, and jaggery. Jaggery is also known as gourd in Hindi. So at last, we must support our government to eradicate this disease. Thank you and have a nice day.